Hello once again, guys. This is Tech Alarms, Farai from Tech Alarm Systems. Yeah, once again, I'm starting to make it a bit of a habit. It's now becoming a habit doing these videos. But anyway, it's for the benefit of you guys, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And don't forget to just like the page and write a comment if you've got a comment, and then we'll look at it. Okay, let's get into our video. Enough about these dilly-dallies. So today I'll be showing you how to link, or should I say pair, the motion detector here with the control panel there and the remote. So today we're covering the remote and the motion sensor. The last one, if you still remember, we did it. We covered the window alarm, how to set up the window alarm. If you missed that video, it's in the link below. You can just go and click on the link and then just go to the video and watch it. Okay, so we already installed the batteries inside. As you can see, it's got a red flashing light there. If you move it, if there is movement, you can't see it. I hope you saw that. Okay, so behind it we've got a switch on. You can actually choose to, okay, I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, it's too small, but anyway, there's a switch inside there where you can switch it on or off. I've already switched it on. So let's go to the control panel. I'll start by pairing the remote controller here. Okay, so from there you go to your menu and then you scroll down to parts, and then you go to the remote and then you add remote, and then you press any button on the remote there. So it gives you 20 seconds to do that. So just, there we go. That's done. And then for the motion sensor, we from the menu, click on the menu, go to parts, and then go to detector. There. I hope you can see that. Okay, detector, just click on that, and then no, this one is the decoder. Okay, we go up there, and then just add, and then just okay, so it has learnt the motion sensor. So let's try out the motion sensor using the remote. Now if you want to arm, we just
system armed.
Yes, it's armed. And then if we move any movement like this from the control panel, it's already counting down. As you can see, it's going. I think I should change the countdown time, maybe set it up to 10 seconds. But anyhow, like so, there, starts to make noise. Okay, so I just changed the time it will take to arm. So I've just changed it to 5 seconds. So if I arm it like this,
system armed,
it will take 5 seconds to arm, and then it's armed. So if there is any movement like this, as you can see, it's now counting down. I've reduced the time to 10 seconds, and there we go. Nice.
system disarmed.
Starts to make noise. Okay, for just the purpose of testing, I'll just install the alarm, the loud siren. It's noisy, but hey, we're testing, right? Yeah. Okay, there we go. So I arm it with my
system
alarm.
armed.
That's the noise. It's armed. So let us just try motion. It's counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Noise.
System disarmed.
Yeah, that's how noisy it is. So, yeah, that's about it. I've shown you how to connect the motion sensor and configure the remote and the external siren. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. And again, don't forget to like the page. Don't forget to write the comments, positive, negative. They're all good for us. That's how we know that we're on the right path or we're doing things wrong. And please visit our company, Tech Alarm Systems. We sell these things. That's where you can get them. That's where you can buy them. Please, if you want a quotation, you can send the quotation to techalarmsystems@gmail.com or fwmushure@gmail.com, or send us a message on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is 0783 187 321. 0783 187 321. We've got all of these in stock plus many more. So please contact us, call us, app us. We're always there. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Toodles. Visit my company. This is the company. It's called Tech Alarms. We sell all kinds of alarm systems, window alarms, full house alarms, all of that, full hole alarm systems, touch screens, window door, motion sensors, detectors, all of it. We sell it. Just inquire. The email address is fwmushure@gmail.com. Please just send an email and then we will reply you with a quotation on anything that you want, anything which comprises of security. Okay, so please protect your homes. Okay, cool.